Hello there. It's super exciting to guide you through the Intrica 0001 of Python and its application in generating the next number in a sequence. Python isn't just a hugely popular programming language among professionals, it's also incredibly user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for learning programming concepts in a digestible manner. Today, we are diving into a nifty little problem that's quite popular in coding interviews and learning sessions: how to generate the next number in a sequence using Python. Whether you are just starting out or revising, this tutorial will help fortify your Python fundamentals and enhance your problem-solving skills. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's code our way through Python's capabilities for finding the next number in a sequence. We'll explore everything right from the basics, like setting up our environment and familiarizing ourselves with Python syntax, to getting our hands dirty with loops, conditional statements, and a bit of arithmetic. You'll run through simple examples, gradually transitioning into more complex ones, all to ensure you are not just comfortable with Python's constructs but are also excited about exploring more advanced aspects. From the cornerstones of variables to the foundations of functions, we'll touch on everything you need. As we weave through the problem-solving journey, we'll consider potential pitfalls and learn how to analyze complex sequences. We'll delve into the performance of our code, discuss efficiency, and look at ways we can optimize our solutions to stand out from the rest. And while we're at it, we'll touch on a couple of essential points about security considerations and scalability strategies, crucial for any IT professional venturing into production-grade development. The beauty of Python lies not just in its syntax, but also in the culture and the sense of community it fosters. This tutorial includes not only code snippets and explanations, but also some insight into collaborative coding and troubleshooting in Python. You'll learn why open-source contributions are valuable and how they benefit not only the maintainers of the libraries we use but also the wider Python community. By engaging with these resources, you build on a culture that values knowledge sharing and continuous learning, and you'll likely find yourself contributing to projects in the blink of an eye. To add a practical flair to our tutorial, we are going to create a short Python project. You'll design, code, and deploy a simple program that allows users to input a starting number in a sequence, and the program will calculate and output the next number based on a defined pattern. Along the way, we'll tackle concepts like user input-output, exception handling, and simple command-line interfaces. You'll see immediately how the theories we discuss come to life. To wrap it all up, it's always good to reflect on what we've learned and how we can apply different strategies to not just this problem but other problems in the vast world of programming. After all, the goal of this tutorial isn't just to walk you through a singular problem but to equip you with the skills you'll carry forward into your programming journey. Let in Python's next number generation, not just for freshers but for seasoned professionals too. So visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more insights into the ever-evolving world of technology. Keep on coding.